Hey guys, this is Phoenix. So I will be going over today's games against Legend X's team. Their name is Delay Warriors. They have qualified for one monthly finals. They all are really good players, and all these games they had delay while we did not. So I don't want any of you judging them or trash talking about any of them in the comments. So let's get into it. So the first game we wanted to go a really balanced comp. If we would have went Ruffs gets countered by Sprout and Surge gets countered by Ruffs. Now Rico traditionally should get countered by a Sprout, but with Rico's new gadget, you can just gadget and heal so much that you can just walk on to the Sprout. So there you can see Legend X did a very good job of sneaking up on me and helped his teammate win his lane. There I get a nice kill onto him. Meanwhile Viz and Shubham are doing really good stuff. See here, I use the gadget. It immediately healed me to full HP. That's why the Rico gadget is so good. Now you can see they are using Leon. It's for the new gadget. So like we didn't quite know about how good the Leon gadget was, or like what usage you could actually get out of it into in this map. And to be very honest, I quite frankly don't understand till now what uses does it give, or like why is it so good. But we saw Team Flash playing it and all the other teams playing it as well, and they were running it as well. And now as you can see, it's giving value. Like against Sprout and Rico you can and even against Bell you can easily sneak up onto them, and it gives a lot of control. And like this map has a lot of bushes to sneak onto. So Leon gadget really caught us off guard in this match. So here Scally Wacker is just bullying me because I wasted one gadget earlier in the game, and without a gadget Sprout will wreck Rico like very hard. So you can see Scally Wacker doing he's doing an absolutely amazing job. He's killing everyone. I'm getting tapped left and right, and this was a very dumb super by me. Viz and Shubham are doing the best they can, but the Sprout pick is just too much for us to handle because I wasted one gadget. So this game I'd say Leon caught us a bit off guard and I wasted a gadget, so we lost this game. Very well played to them considering they had delay. Like hats off to them for winning this match. Like very well played by them. Let's get into the next match. So this match, as you can see, we are going Piper, Leon and Surge. Piper is to counter the Bell mid. The Surge is to counter Sprout, and Surge does decent enough against Leon as well. For example, if you have your jump, Surge can do well against a Leon. And Leon, they tried Leon. We didn't quite understand how it was working, but since it was working, we decided to go Leon as well. You can see here, I did absolutely nothing but die at the start of the match. Viz is pushing up on the Sprout. He made the Sprout very low, and Legend X killed Shubham. Now you can see me missing all four of my shots. Very nice. They are going Mortis and Sprout. So the Mortis was to counter Sprout mainly from their side, and they would have percepted that we would go something to counter Leon. Maybe we would have gone an Amber, or we would have gone either Leon himself, and Mortis counters all these bowlers. But we went Surge instead to counter the Sprout, and does very good against Mortis. So we had the matchup here. Here finally I made a play in the entirety of the match. There you can see Viz sneaking up very well. Here I missed another easy shot. Viz died. I am trying to do something, not able to do something, but Shubham tapping everyone, doing absolutely godly job of carrying me, and I died again, wasting my jump and my level 4. I will spawn with a level 2 now. That gadget, okay, so now that gadget, if you place it in the mid, now although it can get easily destroyed, but even little bit invisibility, it's enough for like anyone, if it's enough for you to juke and like make the opponent get surprised. So we managed to win this match. I'd say we had a better comp because they had a Mortis and a Sprout, and Surge and Leon have very good matchups against them. So in the third match, let's get into it. In the third match, we both decided to go a bit towards the heels. So Byron technically gets countered by Piper and Bell both, but if I heal my teammates, they can do a lot of work. So Leon and Sandy can handle Surge, they can handle Sprout, they can handle pretty much anything if I heal them properly. They both have invisibility. We have lots of surprise factor with their invisibility. And right here they have also went with Jean, Max, and Jean, Pam, and Poco. So their motive was to just stay in the mid and stay alive as much as they can, because we had a Piper and a Sprout. Piper and a Sprout cannot deal with this comp at all, because even if you hit all your shots, the Jean, Pam, and Poco heal each other so much that it makes it very tough for you to get in the zone. Now here you can see till now Shubham has been chaining supers because they all have to stick together to make this comp really work. And I have been healing Wiz and Shubham, and they have been able to get the most value. So here Shubham and Mia both are low. I pop my gadget, I tap him once. Now here things get quite interesting. I'm very proud of my play which I made here. See here you can see Shubham died, Wiz went up, Wiz also dies. Now here Shubham got pulled. Now here you see, here I chained 1, I chained 2, and 3 supers on them, but they still didn't die. Like you can see how good they're 4 supers that didn't hit at all, but fine. Like you can see how durable their comp is. Like they are staying alive so much. And here we just won the match. They were so close to winning. Like we were so scared in VC at the time. We didn't want to lose the first set. So this will be the first set. I will take and leave here. Let's hope you guys like it.